Hey y'all, Greg the Grilling Guy. And I'm just going to show you a short today on a really quick side dish that's a really popular hit around our household. So today we're using peeled baby carrots. This particular brand I have a lot of luck with. Perhaps just a regular brand name would do just fine. But we're going to be cooking these in the cast iron skillet. And as you can see with this skillet, it's got ridges on it because I want to try to put a bit of a grill mark. I also don't want these things to kind of burn entirely as I cook. So I should also mention that when I cook with cast iron, I put the cast iron on the heat probably about 15 minutes before I'm going to cook, because you want that cast iron to come up to temperature, and it will take a while. So if you just put it on the grill and put the food directly into it, you're not really going to get a successful cook. So always make sure you preheat the cast iron. So we're just going to dump the carrots directly onto the grill. I try to arrange them all in line so that they'll cook evenly. As I say, we're going to carve these up and let them steam. This whole process will probably take 10 to 12 minutes to get these done. And this is just a grind that I got off Amazon. I really enjoy it, but I'm sure you can find stuff local as well. A bit more duck fat. I'll let these finish out for about another 2 or 3 minutes, and I'll take them in, set them inside, and let them kind of come to temperature while I finish up the rest of the meal. So again, this is a really easy side dish. It's a really big hit around here, and hopefully you enjoy as well. So until next time, grill it real good.